This time your heart said it's had enough. Sick and tired of everything that's so messed up. You don't wanna move on, just playing games, praying hard somehow that your life would change. When you feel like you don't know what to do, stuck inside, there's a maze you can't go through. Don't give up, and help is surely on its way. And don't give up, the dark is breaking in today. And just keep on moving through these storms, and soon enough you'll find the door. Just don't give up. Oh, and don't give up. When these walls around you are caving in, and your life seems like it is wearing thin, when your hope is drowning in despair, it looks like you're not going anywhere. Step inside, there's a heart, and then you'll see such a love that is so amazing. Don't give up, and help is surely on its way. And don't give up, the dark is breaking in today. And just keep on moving through these storms, and soon enough you'll find the door. Just don't give up, and yeah, don't give up. And don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. And don't give up. And help is surely on its way. And don't give up. The dark is breaking in today. Oh, just keep on moving through these storms, and soon enough you'll find the door. Just don't give up. Oh, and don't give up. 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 Don't give up.
Yeah, we're here now in Midland Beach in Staten Island. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of volunteers helping for this relief effort, and we still need a lot of items that need to be donated, especially diapers for children, baby food. I think there's also a shortage of needs on construction gloves. If you can have construction gloves, even boots would be excellent. Socks, scarves, hats. It's going to get cold in the next few days. We'll keep you posted.